Build a stylish bookshelf in one weekend. Welcome back to Weekend Workshop Pro. Today, we're tackling a classic DIY project, building a simple yet stylish bookshelf. Perfect for any room in your house, and you can easily complete it in just a weekend. This bookshelf is not only functional, but also adds a touch of rustic charm. We'll be using readily available materials and basic tools, making it a great project for beginners. Here's what you'll need. One sheet of 3/4 inches thick plywood, 4 feet x 8 feet is standard. You likely won't need the whole sheet for this project. Wood glue, 1 1/4 inches wood screws. Wood filler, sandpaper, 80, 120, and 220 grit. Wood stain or paint of your choice. Measuring tape. Pencil. Saw, circular saw or hand saw. Drill. Clamps. First, let's measure and cut our plywood. We'll be cutting the following pieces. Side pieces, 2, 12 inches wide x 48 inches tall. Top and bottom pieces, 2, 12 inches deep x 30 inches wide. Shelves, 3, 11 1/4 inches deep x 28 1/2 inches wide. This accounts for the 3/4 inches thickness of the side pieces on each side. Use a measuring tape and pencil to mark your cuts, ensuring straight lines. Then, carefully cut along the lines using your saw. Now, we'll assemble the main frame. Apply wood glue to the edges where the side pieces meet the top and bottom pieces. Use clamps to hold the pieces together while the glue dries for at least 30 minutes, ideally longer. For added strength, we'll also use 1 1/4 inches wood screws to secure the joints. Pre-drill holes before inserting the screws to prevent the wood from splitting. 2 screws per joint should be sufficient. Next, let's install the shelves. We'll space them evenly. Since the inside height is 46 1/2 inches, 48 inches total height minus the 3/4 inches thickness of the top and bottom pieces, and we have 3 shelves, a good spacing would be approximately 11 1/2 inches between each shelf. Measure and mark the desired placement for each shelf. Apply wood glue to the edges and secure them with screws. Ensure the shelves are level before the glue sets. Once the frame is assembled, use wood filler to fill any screw holes or imperfections. Let the filler dry completely, then sand all surfaces smooth using progressively finer grits of sandpaper, 80, then 120, then 220. This will create a smooth and professional finish. Now comes the fun part, finishing. You can choose to stain or paint your bookshelf. If you're staining, apply the stain evenly using a brush or cloth, following the manufacturer's instructions. If you're painting, apply multiple thin coats for a smooth finish. Let the finish dry completely. And there you have it. A beautiful and functional bookshelf you built yourself in just a weekend. This simple design can be customized to fit any space and style. You can add more shelves, paint it a different color, or even add decorative trim. Remember to check the description below for detailed measurements, tool recommendations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more weekend DIY projects, and leave a comment below sharing your own bookshelf creations. We'll see you in the next workshop.